When I was little, I was riding my brand new bicycle when I decided to see how far I could keep going without looking back even once. I could feel with my back how my neighborhood was receding further and further away. But I kept pedaling with all my might, my mind almost going blank. All I could hear was the sound of my own heartbeat, thumping wildly in my ears. Even now I remember it sometimes. What exactly was I trying to do that day? What was it that I wanted to prove? It's no good. My mind just keeps fogging over. I have this irritating sound in my head. What is it? This sound. Oh, I know what it is. This is the sound of emptiness.